How to Migrate Your Website to Hostinger Complete Guide. Welcome to this comprehensive guide on migrating your website to Hostinger. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of transferring your existing website to Hostinger's reliable hosting platform. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced web developer, this tutorial is designed to help you successfully migrate your website with minimal downtime and hassle. To get started, you'll need to gather a few essential tools and information. First, make sure you have access to your current website's files and database. You'll also need to create a new Hostinger account, which can be done by visiting their website and following the sign-up process. Once you've created your account, you'll need to set up your new hosting environment, including choosing a plan and configuring your DNS settings. The next step is to export your website's files and database from your current hosting provider. This may involve using an FTP client or a website migration tool such as Duplicator or all-in-one WP migration. Be sure to test your migration process before making any changes to your live website. Once you've successfully exported your files and database, it's time to upload them to your new Hostinger account. This can be done using an FTP client or the file manager in your Hostinger control panel. Make sure to update your DNS settings to point to your new Hostinger hosting environment. After uploading your files and updating your DNS settings, your website should be live on your new Hostinger hosting environment. However, it's always a good idea to test your website thoroughly to ensure everything is working as expected. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully migrate your website to Hostinger with ease. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask in the comments below.